In this video, we'll show you how to install NaturalVision Evolve in GTA 5 Legacy. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so NaturalVision Evolve, or NVE for short, is one of the most popular graphics overhaul mods for GTA 5 Legacy. It completely transformed the game by improving the weather system, lighting, ambient colors, textures, vegetations, reflections, and many other visual effects, making Los Santos look far more realistic. Before we install anything, there's one thing you should know. NaturalVision Evolve is made for GTA 5 story mode. Since you'll be installing graphics mod and other custom files, you should avoid using this setup while playing GTA Online. If you want to switch between story mode and online, it's a good idea to keep a separate clean copy of GTA 5 or remove your mods before launching online. Alright, now let's download all of the files. To download NaturalVision, you can go to racemods.com, which is the official website. You can click the link in the description, or you can type in NaturalVision and the website will appear at the top. Once you're here, you want to go to GTA 5 on the bottom left, and then you'll have two options: NaturalVision Enhance and NaturalVision Evolve. So NaturalVision Enhance is for GTA 5 Enhance. We also have a video on that, so if you want to mod your GTA 5 Enhance instead, you can go ahead and check them out. But for this video, we're going to install NaturalVision Evolve, which is the one for GTA 5 Legacy. Now let's click View, and then you'll have a download button over here. Just click on it and it'll bring you to a download page. Currently, there's three versions of it. There's classic version, the standard one, and the light version. If your PC lack FPS, you can install the light version instead. But for this video, we're going to install the standard one. This is the full version, but the way to install them is going to be the same. So to download it, just hit download over here. Gonna download the standard version. It'll prompt the download. Save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save, and the download will start. It'll take a bit because it's 15 gigabytes. So while we wait on that, let's download OpenIV, which is the tool to install NaturalVision. You can go to OpenIV.com or just click the link in the description. Once you're here, just hit download and save it on your PC. One more thing that you need is ScribbleV. I'll also put the link in the description, and here just click download and save it on your PC as well. After you finish downloading, you'll have NaturalVision Evolve in a zip file, the OpenIV setup, and ScribbleV also in a zip file. Now to start installing, you'll also need your GTA 5 main directory. If you don't know where, you can go to these paths on the screen, which is the default location of GTA 5. So if you install GTA 5 on the default location, you'll find it there. But if you cannot find it, you can locate it through your launcher. If you're using Epic Games, you can go to Library and then look for your GTA 5, click the three dots on the right, hit Manage, and then you can click the folder icon to open the install location. If you're on Steam, you can do the same. Go to Library, look for your GTA 5, right click on it, Manage, and hit Browse Local Files, and it'll open up the install location as well. Alright, now you have your GTA 5 main directory. We can start installing. So let's start with ScribbleV. It's in a zip file. You can open it up with WinRAR or 7-zip. Or if you're using Windows 11, you can just right click on it, hit extract, and hit extract again. Now you'll have it in a folder. So let's open it up. Then you want to go to the bin folder, and here what you need is xinput, ScribbleV, and the input 8.dll. So to install it, you simply need to put these files into your GTA 5 main directory. You can just drag and drop it into your GTA 5 main directory just like that, and it's done. ScribbleV is installed. And now before we install NaturalVision, we need to install OpenIV. If you install OpenIV already, you can skip this part. But if you haven't installed OpenIV yet, you can open up the setup, double click on it. It'll open up the installation setup, select English, and then hit continue. You can read the license agreement and hit I accept if you do, hit continue, and continue again. It'll ask you to download some necessary files. Just hit yes, and it'll start downloading and installing OpenIV on your PC. After this done, you can launch OpenIV. Let's close this and then search OpenIV. Let's open it up. And the first time you launch it, you'll be greeted with this. Just like GTA 5 Windows. Now it'll ask you for your GTA 5 location. We already have it right here. So what you can do is just click the path on the top and then right click, hit copy, go back to OpenIV, hit browse, and then you're gonna paste the path to your GTA 5 just like that. Let's enter and hit select folder, and it will detect your GTA 5.exe. Hit continue. Alright, now OpenIV is open, and the first thing you need to do is to enable edit mode. On the top right, hit edit mode and then hit yes. If this is the first time you open OpenIV, you'll see a message here to install ASI Manager, but I don't see it here because I already installed it. So you can go to Tools, ASI Manager, and you'll need to install ASI Loader, OpenIV.asi, and Open Camera. If you already have it installed, you can close this and you can minimize OpenIV. Now we can start installing NaturalVision. It's in a zip file as well, so we need to extract it first. You can right click on it, hit extract, and hit extract again. It'll take a moment because it's pretty huge. After it's done, you'll have it in a folder. So let's open it up, and here you'll have optional add-ons folder, reshape shaders, and 3 OpenIV installer. There is a README file as well. I recommend you to open it up, especially if you want to install optional add-ons later on. But for now, let's start installing the main NaturalVision installer. So there is 3 parts here. It's an OpenIV file, so you can open it up with OpenIV. You can either double click on it to open it, or you can also drag and drop it onto OpenIV just like this, and it'll open up the package installer. Now, just hit install, and then it'll ask you to select the location to install. If the mods folder is available, you're gonna select that. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you need to confirm installation. Just hit install, and it'll start installing. And after the part 1 is done, you're basically gonna do the same for part 2 and 3. So let's go ahead and do that. Part 2 now, drag and drop it onto OpenIV, open up the installer, and then hit install, select the mods folder, and hit confirm installation. Part 2 is done, let's close it. And do the same for part 3. Hit install, mods folder, hit install again, and wait for it to finish. Alright, after you install all of the 3 parts, NaturalVision Evolve is fully installed on your GTA 5. But if you close this, there's optional add-ons and reshape shaders that you can also install to make it even better. Now for the reshape shaders, let's open it up. To install it, you're gonna put all of these files into your GTA 5 main directory, just like we did with ScribbleV. So let's go ahead and do that, and reshape is installed. Let's go back and open up the optional add-ons file. Inside it, you'll have 24 optional add-ons that you can install. You don't need to install all of them, just choose and pick the add-ons you want. So for example, the recommended one is Performance Boost, and if we open it, it's also an OpenIV file. So to install it, it's going to be the same. You're gonna open it up with OpenIV, just drag and drop it onto OpenIV. It'll open up the package installer, hit install, and if it's available, select the mods folder, hit install again, and it'll start installing. You're gonna do the same for the other add-ons. But one thing to note is to read the README files if there is one. So for example, the DLSS upscaler plugin, if we open it up, there is a README file. Make sure you open it up, because if you don't install it properly, there is a chance that you cannot launch your GTA 5 again, and you have to do a clean install, which is annoying. So that'd be it. After you install all of the add-ons you want, we're done installing NaturalVision Evolve. But before you launch GTA 5 with NaturalVision, you need to make sure your anti-cheat is turned off. To do that, on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to Settings, and then just uncheck Beta Lie, which is the anti-cheat of GTA Online. After you have it turned off, you're good to go, and you can launch GTA 5 like normal. If you install everything correctly, you'll see this in the intro, and in the game you should immediately notice the improved lighting, weather, reflections, vegetation texture if you install the add-ons, and many other visual enhancements. Now to make sure that it looks good, you need to tweak some in-game settings. So let's open up the pause menu, and then you want to go to settings, graphics, and here make sure the shader quality is set to very high and the post effects is set to ultra. You'll need to restart your GTA 5 after changing them, and after you restart, you're good to go. Now if you want to tweak some settings and change the weather, you can use the reshape menu. Just press insert on your keyboard and it'll open up this menu on the screen. Now here there's a few tabs, but I'll try my best to explain it to you. So the first one is home. This is where you disable and enable all of the presets. So for example, here we have volumetric aurora medium quality, high quality, and ultra quality. You can pick one of these based on your preference by checking the one you want to use. The next step is NVE. Here you'll have clouds, graphics, weather, FreeCam, and keybinds. So for clouds, you can tweak how the cloud looks, but personally, I'm not going to change anything. Let's go to graphics. If this is the first time you're using it, you'll see this, hit I accept, and you can tweak some settings. Sky, vehicle motion blur, visual modification, vehicle settings, and even the shadow settings. You can also tweak the emissive light. If you want to make the headlights brighter, you can change the day and night multipliers. Alright, next we have weather. Here you can change the weather, and also on the top you can change the time. Make sure to check override time first, and as you can see, I can change the weather. Alright, next we have FreeCam. This is good if you want to take a picture, but to use it, you'll need to press the keybinds, and you can change the keybinds over here. So the default keybinds for FreeCam is page down. You can press that, or you can also change it if you want. Alright, that's basically all you need to know, and for now, you can enjoy GTA 5 with improved graphics. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.